Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a basic bar inside your Unreal project. So let's start. We go to our content drawer, create a new folder, and we name it Widget. And let's go here, create a new class, user interface, widget blueprint. We go to user widget, and we do wd underscore health bar widget. And let's open this up. Let's attach it here. What we're gonna do is create our screen, or we call it the viewport. Use a Canva panel. As you see here, this is our screen. So what we're gonna do now is put a health bar here. So we use a progress bar. Okay, let's scroll this up here. Let's place it here. Okay, let's use the anchor to bottom left. So when you change the resolution of your game, so it's gonna adapt to the anchor, so it's gonna go bottom left. So it's gonna do now and see how its progress. So you can change here the color to green. Okay, and we need to bind this to our health variable of health. So let's compile and we go to the third person character. So let's create a variable to represent our health. So we do a new variable and we name it health, and we give it a float, and let's compile to give it a default value of 100. Let's compile again. Okay, we go back to our widget, and now we bind the progress bar, create binding. So what we're gonna do to do it easily, we're gonna use the casting. And should you know, interfaces are more better to give a better performance, but we're gonna simplify things and use casting. So what we're gonna do here is cast to BP third person character and do get player character, and as our third person character we're gonna get the health, and then we're gonna multiply it because our health is from 0 to 100 and the return node is gonna be from 0 to 1. 1 is full and 0 is empty. So we're gonna multiply it by 0.01 and the return node is gonna be here. It's compiled. Now we need to add it to our viewport. We created the widget, now we need to add it. So we create a new custom event. It create name it create health widget. So what we're gonna do now is create widget, and okay, the class gonna be our widget wd add bar widget. The only player gonna be get player controller, so it can assign it to the viewport. And what we're gonna do is add it to viewport. And target gonna be create wd, the return value assigned to the viewport. So let's check this out. Okay, what did we miss here? Yes, we forget to call this event. Because we create the event, we need to call it here in event begin play. So let's drag this out and let's do a sequencer. So what the sequence do is run this first and then run this. So we run our add input mapping functions here, and then let's create or call this event to create our widget. Okay, and let's on it. As you can see, this is our help in viewport, and let's do some testing. So we go to our third person character and we do a E key, and we do another key, F key. So what we're gonna do here is when we press E key, we're gonna get our or set our health and get it here and do an add by 10. And the F, we're gonna do the reverse. When we press F, we're gonna do -10. So let's try this out. We have 100 here. We're gonna press F. As you can see, I'm continuously pressing F, F, F. I'm gonna start pressing E, E, F, F. Gonna see the binding here. So it's worked good. I hope guys you enjoyed my video. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. I always post Unreal 5 tutorials as the one I'm showing to you now. It's good tutorial about AI, making a basic AI and tasks. I consider you to watch it. It's good. I'm gonna post it on the left. So that's all. See you.